as you can tell that I have fresh, clean, wet hair. Well, it's about dry. But so today for this video is gonna be a hair video. I'm doing like an unboxing review type of video, and I'm gonna show you how well the product works on my hair. So basically, I already used it one time, so I just wanted to show y'all that I had bought this. So basically, I've seen this on YouTube. I've seen people use this, and it is very, very convenient. It's a blow dryer brush. So yes, maybe close to a month ago, maybe I bought this. It's by Revlon. So it says power of a dryer, precision of a styler. When I first used it, I was shocked. I do have a handheld blow dryer, but for some reason mine, I guess I bought the one that didn't come with the comb. So I be struggling. Sis be struggling trying to blow dry her hair. So the only two extensions or connectors I have with my handheld blow dryer is a diffuser, and that's another little connector. I'm gonna just show y'all. This is also by Revlon. And so you see this extension on it right here? That's what I was talking about. It came with this one, and then it also came, well, here you see it right here. So it came with that. It's a smoothing, what is that? It's a smoothing concentrator. It came with this piece, and then it came with the diffuser. And yeah, and it's the handheld kind. So this is also by Revlon. But like I said, sis be struggling to like go with the comb or my brush and then have to trace the blow dryer down, and it just be too much. So I was like, okay, well, this is a 2-in-1. Right here it says a 1-step hair dryer and styler. So I was like, okay, this is on the next level. It's changed the game up. So I had to buy this. And so basically, like I said, when I used it, shook. So I'm gonna show y'all how well it works on my natural, wet, almost dry hair. And I'm gonna show y'all how well it blow dries. It says it's a large paddle design, dries and smooths hair quickly. It has detangling bristles, which helps to dry and style hair in up to half the time. It's lightweight for maximum comfort and ease of use. Multiple heat settings for complete drying and styling flexibility. And it has a professional swivel cord for tangle-free and easy styling. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. It is pretty big. This is how it looks. Those are the detangling bristles. At the bottom, let's see. Can you see that? There we go. You got your off button, your cool, your low, and your high. So you have the same 3 settings that you have on your regular blow dryer. So you would just turn this knob right here. You see right here it says off. You just turn it to whatever setting you want. This is the little swivel cord that it was saying. Same thing as your regular blow dryer. You plug it in, then you have your settings. Still have the receipt still. Let me tell y'all how much I paid for this. I also bought this from Belk. It was $39.99 plus tax. It was $42.79. So, but it's worth every penny. I would say that, like, it's worth it. I got mine in pink and black. I believe they had an all black one, maybe. So yeah, if you have a Belk where you stay at, they most likely should have it. I will put the link down below for anybody that's interested and want to try this out after my review on it. Also, of course, you know they have it on Amazon if you would like to go there instead. let's get started. Well, before I get started on blow drying my hair, I've also seen on YouTube that a lot of people use this. It is by Tresemme. It's a heat protector. This is the newer look of the regular Tresemme heat protector, and it has keratin in it. It's keratin smooth heat protect spray. It's a 5-in-1. It's a 5-in-1. So you have, I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay, you have your anti-frizz. It protects shine, softness, and it tames fly away. It's a heat protection up to 450 degrees. I most likely probably won't put it up to 450. Well, I'm not gonna put it up to 450. But it can protect your hair up to 450 degrees. If I flat out my hair or whatever, I will most likely probably go up to 375 to 400. Just to be on the safe side. So yes, I'm gonna put this on my hair before I blow dry it, because I've seen a lot of people they put this on their hair before they blow dry, as well as like before they flat iron. You spray it onto damp towel, dried hair, and comb through. Style with heat as usual. When blow drying, ensure the nozzle of the hair dryer is pointing downward to aid the smoothness of your hair. We're gonna put this on right now, and then we're gonna go in with the blow dryer. This really smells good too. It smells good. We shall see if it really works. Completely dry, and it maybe took at the most 10-15 minutes, but this blow dryer really works fast. You see how straight my hair is, and it's completely dry. So I would highly recommend this product. Once again, I will put the link down below. For my girls with the thick hair, get y'all one of these, because this is gonna save you so much time, and it's just giving what it needs to give, period. So make sure y'all go get this. You won't regret it. This is proof from me, and I have very thick hair, and I really don't like blow drying because it takes forever. But this really changed the game up, and I'm so glad I found this. It's worth every penny, I promise. So go get y'all one of these. And this video is not sponsored. I spent my own money for this product. I just thought it was a very good product, so I would like to share it with y'all. So this is the finished product. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell to get updated or get notifications on when I post. And I will see y'all in my next video.